Biodiversity is the word we use to describe all types of life on Earth, from bacteria at the bottom of the sea to human beings in the big cities. Biological diversity sustains the planet's delicate balance. Without plants, there would be no oxygen, and without bees to pollinate, there would be no fruit or vegetables. The reality is the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat all rely on biodiversity. And if money is used as a measure, the services provided by the world's ecosystems are worth trillions of dollars, twice the global GDP. Again, in financial terms, biodiversity losses cost Europe about 3% of its GDP, and that's about $530 million a year. Despite its importance, the planet is plunging headlong into its sixth mass extinction of species, and biodiversity is still being lost at an unprecedented rate. According to the WWF, humanity has wiped out 60% of animal populations since 1970. So, what is being done to tackle this enormous problem for our planet? Individuals can still make small changes in their everyday lives by recycling, taking public transport, and buying organically. But in order for real change to happen, governments also need to intervene. In Japan in 2010, over 200 countries agreed to the 20 Aichi biodiversity targets. They included measures such as harvesting all fish sustainably, improving the conservation status of endangered species, and minimizing the impact on coral reefs. But a decade later, in September 2020, a UN report revealed the world has failed to meet a single goal in their entirety. And what's more, the UN claims that an estimated $500 billion in government subsidies designed to improve biodiversity are still causing environmental harm. So all eyes now are turning to Kunming in China, where the United Nations will host its 15th Biodiversity Conference in May 2021, in the hope that fresh goals can be confirmed, but also then actually delivered.